okay. Uh-oh! Ah! Spiders! Thomas was telling everyone a spooky story. A long time ago, there was this train. It was pulling some very important cargo. But along the way, the cargo disappeared. No way!
No! You know, I've always worried about cargo randomly disappearing like that.
Anyway, the train didn't know what to do, so it headed back to its shed. But then, the cargo reappeared, and it blocked the train in its shed. It couldn't get out. The next morning, lots of people arrived to free the train. But when they moved the cargo, the train was gone, never to be seen again.
Whoa! Was that a true story, Thomas?
Well, I doubt it, but you never know. The next day, Nia was delivering cargo.
Hi, Nia. Ooh, you're delivering cargo today. Try to make sure it doesn't disappear like in Thomas's story.
It won't. That was just a story.
Okay. There, all loaded.
Thanks, Funding.
But when Nia stopped at a signal...
What was that? Oh, my cargo! It's gone! Oh no! Is Thomas's story true? No, it can't be.
That evening, Nia headed over to a shed.
I don't believe Thomas's story, but just in case, I'll stay in this shed. No one knows I'm here, so the haunted cargo can't find me. What? Oh, the cargo's blocking me in! Oh no, oh no! What? Oh, it's blocking me in from the front too! I've got to get out of here! Haunted cargo!
Got you!
What? It was you two all along?
Yeah, that was fun. There's no such thing as haunted cargo.
Oh, silly Bill and Ben.
I still can't believe Nia fell for that.
Nia fell for what?
We made her believe her cargo was haunted, just like in Thomas's story.
What a great prank! Anyway, let's load these cargo blocks into your trucks. Okay, all done.
Thanks, Funlings. Yeah, thanks. But when they went through a tunnel, they came out without their cargo. Hey, Bill! What? Your cargo! It's missing! Oh no! So's yours! It can't be haunted though, can it? No, it's probably just Nia trying to prank us back. I don't think it is Nia. Look! She's all the way over there, pulling a passenger coach. What happened to our cargo then? I don't know. Maybe we should stick together for the rest of the day. Yeah. Hey, wait for me! They decided to hide in a shed. Keep an eye out for any haunted cargo. I'm kind of facing the wrong way. Oh, Ben! Uh-oh, where did this cargo come from? Nice one, Bill. Oh, I think there's cargo behind me. Keep your focus, Ben. Oh, there's more cargo here. We've got to get out of here. Run! Ah! Haunted cargo, run!
Haha, we got them, Funlings. Thanks for your help.
No problem, Mia. It serves them right. Yeah, I can't believe they didn't spot us in that tunnel or by the shed.
You two fooled them perfectly. Well done.
Ah! Do 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 do.
Ah, Luke, it's Halloween. So, have you done any spooky pranks recently?
No, I have not.
Ah, come on, it's Halloween.
But I don't want to. Uh-oh, I'm going to sneeze. Achoo! Oops, my trucks.
Happy Halloween, Thomas.
Happy Halloween, Funling. Eh? What's that? Pumpkins!
Pumpkins?
Ooh,
Whoa! Ooh, who did that?
it looks like it was Luke.
Well done, Luke.
No, that was an accident. I didn't want to prank anyone. I just want to get on with my jobs. And my next job is very important. I need to deliver the candy trucks. I'll leave these here. Oh, candy trucks. Don't mind if I do. I'll take these. Okay, where are those candy trucks?
Oh, Luke, time for another Halloween prank.
No, I just want to do my jobs. Ah, these must be the candy trucks. Goodbye. Here are your candy trucks, you two. Bye. Thanks, Luke. Wow, look at all of this candy.
Does it smell alright to you?
No, it doesn't smell very nice at all, does it?
I'll check it. There. What? It's fish?
It's fish? Oh no, it's all fish.
Luke must have pranked us. Oh.
Hi, Fix-It Funling.
Oh, Luke, thanks for bringing me that ladder. I can finally hang up that spider decoration. Oh, Luke, Halloween prank?
No, I don't want to prank anybody.
But you're on a roll.
No, they were all accidents.
Whoa, steady, Luke. I can't see through your steam. Whoops. Uh-oh.
Wow, what a lovely coffin you have, Vampire Funling.
Why, thank you. We'd better be quiet, though. My bats are sleeping in it.
Ah, okay. Ah, spider!
My bats! Who dropped that spider?
I think it was Luke's fault. He pranked us.
No, Luke.
Okay, everyone, what are we going to do about Luke?
He crashed pumpkins into us. He swapped our candy for fish. And he disturbed my bats.
I think we need to prank him back. Yes, let's combine everything he did to us into one giant prank. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, Spider, please can you let us know when Luke enters the tunnel? Of course, Thomas. Perfect, thanks. Do 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 do. What? Rascal Funling, are you in my truck?
Yeah, I am. You need to do another prank.
No, I don't want to. Hey, you two, do you want to go into my fun Halloween tunnel?
Oh, that sounds great. It'll give you inspiration for your prank too.
Fine, we'll go inside, but I don't want to prank anyone. Okay, you lot, he's in.
Let the pranking begin.
Actually, I don't want to do this.
What? Luke? Oh, fine. I'll see this by myself.
Here are your pumpkins back.
What? Whoa! Pumpkins? Okay, bats, fly into the tunnel. Ah, bats!
And you can have your fish back. Here you go.
Oh, that smells.
What are you all laughing at?
We're pranking Luke. Wait a minute. How are we pranking you if you're not in the tunnel?
I didn't want to go in the spider's fun Halloween tunnel. But why are you trying to prank me?
Because you pranked all of us.
I didn't mean to. Wait, if we're not pranking you, who are we pranking?
Oh, that tunnel was not as fun as I thought. Ooh.
Oh dear, we're sorry, Rascal Funling.
Actually, I think you pranked the right person. Luke didn't mean to prank any of you, despite Rascal Funling telling him to.
So really, this was Rascal Funling's fault.
Oh, sorry, Luke.
That's alright, everyone. In the end, you did prank the right person.
Oh. Come on, Thomas, let's make echoes in a tunnel.
Oh, alright, Funlings.
Yay!
Ow!
You okay, Thomas?
Yeah, what's this though? Ooh, a mysterious chest.
Open it, open it, open it!
Oh, okay. Uh-oh!
Ah, what is that?
I don't know.
You fools! You released 3 Halloween monsters! Monsters? I'm not staying here. Bye! Hello, monsters.
Hello there, Funlings.
Oh, phew. You're not as scary as I thought you'd be.
What? We're scary?
Nah, we've seen scarier. Bye-bye!
How could they think we're not scary? Yeah, we need to teach those Funlings a lesson.
Ooh, I know how. We can use that machine over there.
What? Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, those Funlings won't stand a chance.
Maybe this Halloween won't be as spooky as usual. Those Halloween monsters weren't very scary at all. What was that?
Wasn't that the spider? Ah, spiders!
What? Uh-oh.
So many spiders!
Was that the pumpkin? Whoa!
Funlings, are you okay?
Oh, yeah, but what's going on? Halloween monsters? This was you?
Yes, we'll show you who's scary. Okay, you're scary. You can stop now. No, not before we've all had a go with our new toy.
New toy? Uh-oh.
Haha, yes, we've been using this clone machine.
That would explain all the pumpkins and spiders.
And now please welcome all of my ghosts.
Oh no, what are we going to do, Funlings?
I don't know, Thomas.
Do 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 do. What? Ah! Ghosts! Ah! Run! Hey, Halloween monsters! Get rid of your mini clones. Spider-Man? What? Don't listen to him.
Yeah, he's trying to stop us.
But Spider-Man is my hero. Of course I'll listen to him. Excellent. Please get rid of the clones. Yes, Spider-Man. Phew. Did you see that, Funlings? The spider listened to Spider-Man.
Yeah, we just need to find people that the other two will listen to.
Exactly. Come on, let's go. Off to the docks I go. Hey, whoa! Pumpkins! Oh, Pumpkin! If you won't listen to us, maybe you'll listen to Nia!
Pumpkin, I order you to stop.
Why do you think I'll listen to Nia? Because she's orange? No, I only listen to fellow pumpkins.
Like me? I'm a pumpkin. Get rid of your clones.
Pumpkin Funling!
No, don't listen to him.
But he's a pumpkin just like me. Phew, they're gone.
Well, no one can tell me to stop.
Oh, really? Stop, Ghost?
Ghost Funling, I won't listen to you.
But will you listen to me? Get rid of your clones, Ghost.
Ghosty? Oh, fine, I'll get rid of them.
Ah, the ghosts are gone.
Yay, we did it!
Alright, Funlings, you win.
But don't expect us to disappear just yet. Yeah, we've got plenty more Halloween surprises up our sleeves.
Something doesn't feel right.
Nice decorations, Thomas. Love the spiders, Thomas.
Spiders? Ah! Actually, they're really cool.
Ooh, now I look spooky. Thanks, Tunnel.
Whoa! That scared me. Nice prank, whoever did that.
Ah, it's a scary ghost! Somebody help us! Ah, the ghost was made of candy. Thank you, whoever saved us.
Ooh, what was that? It could be Ghosty, or it could be Ghost Funling. Well, it sounds very spooky and very cool. Nice Tom Moss costume.
Wait a second. They're chocolate pumpkins? Yummy! Thanks, Tom Moss. Why are the pumpkins chocolate? Oh, hi, Tom Moss. I heard your spooky pranks aren't working today, so I can help you with your pranks. I've asked for help from this witch to use her magic on some trains. Ooh, a train is coming. Uh-oh.
You ready, Thomas?
That looks really spooky.
Yeah, so how did you do it? I didn't do it.
I didn't do it.
So, who is it?
I'm getting scared.
Ah! It's a witch train! Ah! It's Thomas! Run away!